just finished my classwork. How am I still at a B?
Okay, we'll dissect your grade after the notes. 12:5:22. We are going to solve two-step equations. Miss Flowers, as you were working with second period, can you think of a question that most of the kids had trouble with so we can add it to the end of these notes? You know, foreseeing like, hey, kids had issues with this. Let's make sure we cover it now. All right, so we're going to start off with 2x plus 8 is equal to 20. Now, what's the difference between these problems that we're doing like right now to the problems that we did last week? What's the one major in-your-face difference?
It's giving you the answer?
No, it's using an equal sign. It's not giving you an answer. It's still giving you a problem. It's giving you an equal sign. Guess what? This equal sign is the same thing as a less than, greater than. You're still going to do the same work, okay? It's actually easier. You're going to draw your bars. So it's the same thing. Same process. It just has an equal sign. We got to solve for x. I want to know what x is. So, which two numbers do I move? And the 2. Which number do you move first? Sorry. 8. How do I move it? Subtract 8. So minus 8, minus 8. Minus 8 on both sides, minus 8 on both sides. What's 20 minus 8? Huh? 12. Thank you. Bring down your equals. What's left on this side? 2x. How do I move the 2? Division. So we're in divide by 2. We're in divide by 2. So this means division, right? So we have x equals 6. And guess what? We don't graph. We don't graph. Since it's an equal sign, if you were to graph this, it would literally look like this. That's it. There's no shading because it's just x equals 6. Like, there is only one answer for this question. It's 6. There's no options of like, oh, any numbers below 6 or any numbers above 6. No, it's just 6. Remember in elementary school you used to put like dots on the number line? Oh, fun times. Fun times. True. We're no longer graphing though. I'm just taking away this part. But the problems get longer. And tomorrow, there's going to be parentheses. Can't wait. Yay, parentheses. No. Yes. No. X over 5 minus 6 equals 4. Which number do I move first? How? Plus 6, plus 6. What's 4 plus 6? X over 5 equals 10. All right. Oh, how do I move the 5? Very good. Since this line means division, I get to multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. What's left on this side? X equals? X equals 50. Good. Uno más. 12 equals 6x minus 18. Now this is hard. Oh my goodness. What makes this super duper hard?
The equal sign's on the other side.
The x is on the other side. Is our math going to change though? No. You're still going to draw your bars. And you're still going to get x by itself. So what are the two numbers that are on the same side? I mean, the same side as the x. The 6 and the 18, right? Which number do I move first? 18. How?
Addition.
Nice. Plus 18 plus 18. So we have 18 and 18, right? Both sides. What's 12 plus 18? 30 is equal to, what's left on this side?
6 and 6.
What I did notice on my other classes is they'll do this correctly and then they'll just write X. And it's like, wait, are you done? Did you move all the numbers? Did you move the 6? No. So that means it's still 6X, right? Move one number at a time. How do I move the 6? Divide by 6. Divide by 6. X equals 5. Is there anything I should go over, Miss Flowers, you think?
I have a problem.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe 12 minus x equals 5.
Woo! Woo!
It may look easy, but I saw a lot of people mess up.
There's so many ways it could go wrong. Okay, hold on. If you added 12, you're wrong. How? I don't get it.
Are you dumb?
All right. Do we agree that we have to move the 12 first? Right? We have to move the 12 first, right? But in elementary school, did you write your math problems like this? I don't know if you guys can see it. Right? Can you see this over here? Ariel, can you see it? Too far? Okay. It says 20 and then a 5 at the bottom and then a minus in the back. Do we write the minus in the back when we were in elementary school? No. Where should this minus be? On the left, right? That's how we write 20 minus 5. Okay, so here, would I be looking at the operation behind the number? Richard? Right here. Should I be looking at this? No, because it's behind it, right? We don't write our problems like that. Okay, your goal is to get this to be 0, right? If it's 0, it goes away, right? So what do I do to 12 to make it be 0? Because you guys probably did plus 12, right? Is 12 plus 12 going to be 0 right here? No. Right? So what do I have to do to 12 to get rid of it? Subtract 12. Now, does this make it 0? 12 minus 12? Yeah. All of these problems, the reason I added 12 here is to make this a 0, right? That's our whole goal, to make it 0 or 1s. So minus 12 on this side. Oh, this makes me sad. Just like your grade makes you sad. This makes me sad. This is
My
sad.
grade's a B, but I didn't have an A. You should see hers.
Hey, what about yourself?
My bad.
Okay, what is 5 minus 12? What's 5 plus negative 12?
Negative 7.
Negative 7 is equal to, what's still on the other side? Negative x.
Negative. Oh.
Because what's in front of it? Subtraction, which turns into a negative. Okay, put on your binoculars, your microscope. What's in the middle that you can't see unless you have a microscope between the negative and the x? So this is really negative 1x. So how do I get rid of it?
Plus 1.
Oh, do you see a minus sign between here and here?
Oh,
Division, because this is together. So the opposite is divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Told you Richard was going to get harder.
I feel so stupid right now.
So what is x equal to?
This is hard. I like the other
It's
one.
just positive positive 7 because I already used both negative.
Can I have a worksheet about this?
You're gonna have one problem like this.
Oh,
But this is like, this will be an easy problem in high school. Because you'll be practicing more of these with me, 8th grade, and then in high school you'll be looking at it, it's like, I can't believe in Miss Lamella's class I thought this was so hard. It's natural right now.